I feel like you need a casting couch in me. You're designated camera girl, right?
Oh, that's fine. The best place to be when it comes to a camera is behind it. Actually, I'm pretty good at this shit.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So, bit of an update. Possibly are going to be able to get the S14 tuned as I search for my drink. Possibly going to be able to get the S14 tuned in a couple of days. So we are going to sort the fuel line issue out. We've pretty much already got the subframe ready to drop, so we're about to do that. And I've already banged the diff bushes in because I found those. So yeah, we're going to put this subframe back in it once we drop the tank and sort that line out.
Spot my enthusiasm about changing a subframe again.
You've done nothing yet.
Yeah. I have the same level of enthusiasm as you did when we jacked the car up.
Yeah, so I've only just started filming now, but like what, 20 minutes ago, I really didn't want to be doing this.
20, 45 yesterday.
Yeah. Okay, camera girl.
Cut some shapes.
Thanks, Patchett. Needed your help on that one. Subframe, out. I'm under here, I'm staying under here, it's time to get out.
It's a nice little ass crack you had there, Sam.
Fucking class X, Sammy boy.
Thank you!
There you go.
Oh, I see what you mean about the fuel tank now, that makes sense.
Yeah, if it was a sick one, it'd just be easy, but these have them over the top of the subframe.
Do you know where the fuel tank in my car is, Sam?
In your butt.
In the boot.
Yeah, same as up here.
See it. In the boot.
We've dropped the tank slightly down, as you can see. We're not going to take it all the way out, but that line there is the line that takes fuel from this side of the tank over to the driver's side where the fuel pump is. And you can see it goes up, and Patchett, my lovely model here, will demonstrate if he can find it. That's not connected to where it should be.
Yeah, where should it be?
That's supposed to go up to the
By the
sending unit at the top. You know what? I might leave you here. Can you try like throw it up? Where's that? Are you throwing that line up? Oh yeah, I've got it.
Throw it up. Is that my reach?
Yeah. All right. Putting it on.
Here's a kid pick up a pen earlier.
POV of Sam drinking continuously every night.
Go fuck yourself, coffee.
Leave me alone.
We're good to put the fuel tank back up.
It only took us 3 minutes and 54 seconds.
Fuel tank is back up. Straps are on. Fuel lines. So that line right there is the line that wasn't connected. It's now connected, so hopefully we don't have any fuel leaks.
Is that one still kinked?
Eh? Yeah, I'm gonna have to probably shorten that. Gonna get that subframe ready to go back in there. Gonna take all the hub assembly and arms off this, so we can then put it in that. Alright, so we got the hub assemblies off the old subframe. We've got a nice new subframe here. It's one I painted. It's got our solid subframe bushes and our freshly pressed in solid diff bushes. Now we're just going to chuck in the diff. So I've got this one to chuck in. This is just a lock diff, ABS there. I've also chucked my one-piece drive shaft in, which is for an ABS diff. So yeah, we get the stuff together and get it back in the car.
Do you hear that on the roof?
What?
That's 1,000 horsepower diesel lube on the roof.
Yeah, it's raining and Sam has his ute.
Yeah, Scandos.
What, like the one you sent me this morning that was terrible?
No, that wasn't a Scando. That was like, it was too much traffic, so I just had to flick it in.
He's talking hypothetically, please. He didn't actually do that.
Hypothetically.
Yeah, hypothetically
I'm
speaking.
gonna whip from here to Rapona.
So yeah, about to chuck this in. I've also got these solid bushes for the front, which slip in just here. So yeah, this whole rear end is going to be solidly mounted, which is good.
You ready to snap axles?
Oh fuck yeah. Nah, I won't snap axles. I shouldn't do, not at my power level. Hey big boy.
Can you be quiet?
Prepare your tools before you lift subframes up, kids. Subframe is pretty much all back together now. None of the bolts are tight, but we just left those loose so we can swing the hubs up a little easier to get them onto the shocks. But yeah, we're gonna get this in, and this is not gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, solid subframe bushes make it a bit of a tight fit, but yeah.
I've lost motivation to even make jokes about it. Package method of subframe lifting.
All the footage you guys have just seen was over a month ago. Right before Matsuri, my tuner hit me up and said that there was a chance that he was going to be able to tune the car before Matsuri. So me and Patchett, we thrashed on it and tried to fix the fuel line and, you know, swap subframes, things like that, which yeah, you guys have just seen. But the day after what you just saw, sort of had the realization that after paying for the tune, I wasn't really going to have any money to go towards tires and fuel. Getting the car to the point where it was at, I basically made myself broke. Building these cars is very expensive. I don't earn a hell of a lot, and what I do earn, I do put towards the S14 and the channel and things like that. But yeah, I just didn't think it was financially feasible for me to continue on, so I made the decision to call it there and just to miss out on Matsuri. It sucked, but I think it was definitely the right call. So as you guys know, I haven't uploaded a video in like 6 weeks. It's not like me. I'm usually pretty consistent with uploads, apart from when I had my my back injury. On top of making myself broke, I also did burn myself out as well. Working 10 hours a day and then working on the car for another 3-4 hours after work. I did that for a couple of weeks on top of trying to film and edit. I know the last 3 videos weren't that good with footage and stuff because I was just trying to focus on getting the car ready for Matsuri. But yeah, so since then, we've done a few things to the car. So I ended up having to change the diff because the drive shaft that I had brought for that car, the single piece one, I was told when I brought it that it was for a ABS diff. Turns out it was for a non-ABS diff, so I had to swap that out. And then actually, as I'm filming this, the car is already running and tuned. Yes, it is tuned. If you guys follow my Instagram, you'd know that. So if you don't follow my Instagram, go follow my Instagram, link in the description below. Me and Patchett tried to start it up last week, right before we went to the tune, and had no spark, so wasn't too sure what was going on with that, but took it to Jeff, my wire tuner, and yeah, he got it running. I'm sorry for the lack of uploads, guys. I did need to take some time out and I'm back with it now. Like I said, the car's already tuned and I'm feeling more motivated than ever. So that'll be it for this one, guys. I'll finish this video out with a few clips of it starting up, running, and might even chuck a little dyno clip in for you. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video where we go through the whole day of getting it running and dyno tuned. And tell you what, this thing is awesome. It sounds so sick. So yeah. There's going to be some cool content to come, guys, so stay tuned.
Oh, it runs.